In front of me is BIGME HiBreak Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom. Then click on this plus at the top right corner and set up an hour. When you're ready, click repeat and pick days of the week. Go back, tap on name and label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Then select confirm, click on alarm ring over here, and either choose add new to pick any song from your smartphone or tap on one of those melodies. Then go back. To save your alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To edit it, click on it, change whatever you want to, and click on the check mark. To delete it, use this icon of a pen at the top right corner, click on your alarm and hit delete at the bottom right one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Go back and click on this icon of a gear at the top right corner to manage silence after and snooze length thanks to those two options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!